Hi, this is Miss Hina Imran, and today we are going to learn about singular and plural. We are going to start up with the basic and then we are going to proceed on to nearly all the rules. Let's start. Both singular and plural are countable nouns. Singular means one and plural means more than one. We say it's singular when it's one person, one place, one animal, and one thing. We say it's plural when a person, place, animal, and things are more than one. We usually add s to the noun, but not every time to make plural. Let's start with the initial one, adding s. So, up till now, what have we learned? Singular means one and plural means more than one. You're only going to add s to make it plural. Let's look at the words. Girl, girls, pen, pens, ball, balls, more than one balls, cat, more than one cat is cats, ant, ants, a lot of ants, book, books. We add es to the singular noun which ends with the letter s, sh, ch, x, double s. Let's look at some examples. So what do we need to see? If the ending letters are s, sh, ch, x, and double s, then we will be adding es. Bus, buses, fox, foxes, dish, dishes, coach, coaches, box, boxes, class, classes. So all these words that are ending with x, s, sh, ch, and double s, you will be adding es to all of them. We form plural to nouns that end with o by adding es and few words by adding s to singular noun. So, if we have an ending o, we will add es usually and sometimes s. Hero, heroes. Cargo, cargoes. Mango, mangoes can be written either with es or s. Photo, photos. Piano, pianos. Buffalo, buffaloes. So, in some cases, like I told before, if the word is ending with o, you can either write it with es or just s, like in mango and buffalo. There are always exceptions, so don't worry. We form plural to singular nouns that end with y with a consonant before it by changing y to I and adding es. So, if there is an ending word, ending letter y with a consonant behind it, you will change the y to I and then you will add es. Let's look at some examples. Fly, flies. Cry, cries. Lady, ladies. Army, armies. Pony, ponies. Story, stories. So what do you need to consider? You need to see if there's a consonant before Y. So when there's a consonant before Y, you will change the Y into I, and then you will add ES. Look at all the consonants. R is a consonant, D is a consonant, M is a consonant, N is a consonant, and R. They're all before Y. So when there is a consonant before a Y, then you will change the Y into I, and then you will be adding ES. But if there is a vowel before Y, what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Then we will just add S to form a plural. Alright, so what do we have to see? If there is a vowel before the Y, then we will add S. We will not be adding IES. When do we add IES? We add IES when there is a consonant before the Y. But over here, we have the vowel before the Y. So when we have the vowel before the Y, we will add only S. Let's look at the words. Day, days. Toy, toys. Monkey, monkeys. Boy, boys. Key, keys. Valley, valleys. So all these are vowels, and if we have a vowel before the Y, we will add only S. If a noun is ending in F, FE, we will change it to V and add S or ES. So we need to see if the last letter is ending in F or FE, we will change it into V, and then we can add S or ES. Let's look at the words. Half, halves. Knife, knives. Thief, thieves. Wolf, wolves. Leaf, leaves. Giraffe, giraffes. Now, the word is ending with F, FE. What do we add? Instead of the F, we add V, and then we add ES. But in the case of giraffe, the word is ending in FV, but we don't add VES. Instead, we only add S. We have exceptions and we just have to learn it by heart. I know it's a little bit difficult in the beginning stage, but once you practice, you will get the hang of it very soon. Also, there are some nouns that end in F, but we don't add VES. Instead, we just add S. So, there are words that end with F, we will only add S. Proof, proofs. Chief, chiefs. Belief, beliefs. Chef, chefs. Handkerchief, handkerchiefs. Sheriff, sheriffs. So you're only adding S. You need to learn it, and when you're going to practice it a lot, you will be a professional in it. Don't worry. All right. Some nouns have the same singular and plural form, like deer, singular, deer, plural. Fish, singular, fish, plural. Dozen, dozen. Money, monies. So, fishes are the plural of more than one species of a fish. So when we're talking about different kind of species, then we are only going to say fishes. Otherwise, the plural of fish is fish. There are also irregular nouns, words that have a new spellings and you don't need to add s, es, ies or ves, etc. to make it plural. Let's look at the words. They are called irregular nouns. All the plurals have a different spelling. Person, people, man, men, foot, feet, louse, lies, cactus, cacti, child, children. You will need to memorize it, and there are no shortcuts. Some nouns have no singular form and are always plural. You can make these singular by using a pair of. Let's look at some words. Scissors, pants, mums, good, jeans, pajamas, binoculars, headphones, goggles, shorts, sneakers, trousers, sandals, slippers. Can you see all these words have S and we don't use these words without an S? So I'll tell you how to make it singular and plural. Over here, a pair of scissors, a pair of pants, a pair of jeans, a pair of pajamas. Now if you want to make it plural, 2 pairs of jeans, 3 pairs of pajamas. If you want to make it singular, a pair of goggles. Plural, a few pairs of shorts. Singular, a pair of sneakers. When you have to make it plural, 2 pairs of trousers. A few pairs of sandals. A pair of slippers. You can make it plural by adding numbers like these, or few before the nouns, if you want to make it plural. Some nouns have only singular. You can make these plural by adding some or all. Coffee, gold, sugar, corn, wheat, silver, furniture, salt, advice, work. Now, if you want some salt, you are not going to say, I want 1 salt. You're going to say, I want some salt. Or you can say, I want to have some sugar. So this is how you're going to make it plural. But they don't have S to make themselves plural. Thank you for your time. If you want easy English tutorial, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new videos that I make. Please also leave a comment if you have any questions. And this is my Facebook page. You can add this. There are lots of worksheets, free worksheets available there. Till then, till my next video. Bye.